Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar. Milky Chance has been here before many times, and this time he does Camouflage. Very straightforward song, simple strumming pattern, 6 chords, that's it. Let's go into it. You have the capo high up on the 7th fret to have the easiest chords possible and match up with the sound as well. So that's the reason for it. Let's go into A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have a D minor next, and that will be open D, second G, third B, first E. We also got the G, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E, F, which is a bar chord, so you place index finger on this first fret, push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G, and finally we have the C. And that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so let's look into the strumming pattern with the first chord, A minor. So grab that one, and one goes... Okay, so down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. Couple rounds. Okay, so we're ready for it. Now let's go into the first verse. And what you're going to do here is to alternate the A minor with E minor. You're going to play A1, E minor 1. And you're going to play that for 8 rounds. So A minor 1, E minor 1 times 8, like this. I play 4 rounds for you. You're going to double up for 8 rounds, and that is the first verse. At 24 seconds in, you're going to start with the pre-chorus, and you're going to play one down of the following chords: D minor, with pauses in between, then E minor, and then G. That's it. The length of the pause is as if you would play D minor for 4 string rounds. So D, then E minor 2, 2, and G 2. So the length of the pause is D minor 4, E minor 2, and G 2. And that takes us into the first chorus at 32 seconds in. So don't be sorry, that's where we are in the lyrics. What you're going to play here is 4 rounds. The first 3 rounds goes D minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. So D minor, F, C, G times 3. And then you're going to go and play E minor 2 and A minor 2. All that is considered as one big chord progression round. You're going to play for 2 times. So as soon as you play that E minor 2 and A minor 2, you'll go back again to play that D minor 1, F1, C1, and G1 for 3 times. And then in the final end, you're going to play E minor, not E minor 2, A minor 2 as you played in the first time. You're going to play just E minor 4 times. Okay? So I hope that makes sense. That is the first chorus. Then you go back and play the second verse, and that is played exactly the same way as the first one. So A minor 1, E minor 1, 8 times, and that's it for the second verse. Then second pre-chorus, again, just repetition, and the same goes with the second chorus. No changes there. Then we have just the final outro left part, and that is to play the verse play, which means A minor 1, E minor 1, 8 times, and that's the end of it. All right, very straightforward. Like I promised, Milky Chance, Camouflage. Good luck and play tuned.